Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make my Nigeria pepper soup spice mix. Pepper soup spice is a popular spice mix used in making pepper soup within and outside Nigeria. So guys, I love making my own pepper soup spice at home. Pepper soup spice has a lot of ingredients, but I don't like using much while making my own. So that is why I always prefer making mine myself. Alright, so I'll be introducing my ingredients to you and also showing you some tricks on how to make the best pepper soup spice mix. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a nice comment. Please subscribe guys, it's free, okay? And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for all the love. I don't take your love for granted, okay? So these are our ingredients that we are going to be using for our pepper soup spice mix. I have about 15 pieces of Ehuru. This spice is also called calabash nutmeg. It has a unique flavor. A little goes a long way. And I also have about 5 teaspoons of orioma, popularly known as shine. This spice is added to soups because of its unique flavor. Like guys, I love this spice a lot. I love it so much, orioma. I also have about 1.5 teaspoons of cloves. Cloves has a lot of benefits. You can use it to flavor your meats, your sauce, your rice. Guys, I don't joke with clove. It has a lot of benefits. I also have my dried grounded ginger, about 2 teaspoons. Adding ginger to your dishes gives it a warmly and spicy flavor. Yeah, ginger also has a lot of benefits. I have 2 pieces of Uda. This spice is traditionally known to hasten the healing of postpartum injuries. It's also used in the treatment of cough, malaria, skin infection, etc. I'm using just 2 because if you use too much of this spice, it has a bitter taste. So I don't like it, so I prefer just to use a little bit of it. So I'll be using just 2 pieces. So I'll also be using about 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Black pepper has a sharp, spicy flavor that goes well with many dishes. I love black pepper in my pepper soup spice mix. I love it a lot. Black pepper also has a lot of benefits. So all these are the ingredients I love to add to my pepper soup spice mix. So these are all our ingredients. Sit back, relax. Let's dive into the video, okay? I believe you are going to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. First off, I would like to burn my Ehuru a little bit. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It gives it a nice flavor and aroma. So guys, this is how I burn my Ehuru. I'm not burning it too much, just lightly burning it. This process is very compulsory, okay? So I'm done burning the Ehuru. Can you see? It's not that burnt. So I'll be transferring the rest of the ingredients into a pan. I like to toast my spices a little bit before blending. Toasting these spices is a very important step in making pepper soup spice mix. It will help to activate the aroma and the taste of the spices. And make sure to toast on a medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then allow it to cool down. Transfer the spices into a coffee blender and start blending. I didn't blend this once, I've blended the first batch. So I'm going to blend all the spices. So guys, I'm done blending all the spices and our pepper soup spice is ready. Can you see, guys? Whenever I'm making my pepper soup, or I'm making my banga soup, my black soup, egusi pepper soup, okra pepper soup, because we are in winter, guys. Yeah, this season, this is what our body needs. The cold is too much, so we always need to warm up our body from the inside. This is not a time to eat ogbono soup, okra soup. So because I love okra soup a lot, so I prefer making okra pepper soup. Oh, so yummy. So whenever I'm making those soups, I know what I'm putting in there. I know I'm using the right pepper soup spices because I made this myself. Guys, hope you'll be trying this recipe. And if you have your own choice of pepper soup spice ingredients, you can add, and anyone you don't like here, you can remove it and add the one you like, okay? But definitely, I promise you, making your own pepper soup spice is the best. I said so. So I've stored the spices in an airtight container. This spice will last me for 2 to 3 months. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.